In this guide, we'll look at more powerful EcoNet app features. Here, you'll learn about the usage report screen and alerts and notifications. The usage report feature helps you track your hot water energy consumption in kilowatt hours, so you can better understand your water heater usage patterns. Monitoring your usage in the usage report screen in conjunction with setting time slots in the schedule tool will help you manage hot water energy consumption and cost. This will help you optimise your water heater operating times while helping you maximise hot water energy savings throughout the year. Let's start at the home screen. Tap on your home location. This will open up the location screen. Note that you may have more than one location or water heater set up in your account. Choose whichever is applicable. Tap on your water heater. The water heater screen will open. Note the usage key at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the usage key to open up the report screen. You can view the report in either 24-hour, 7-day, 30-day or 12-month formats. Swiping the historical data slider to the right will allow you to compare each time unit side by side with the previous equivalent period. This is especially useful when diagnosing your schedule performance over time, allowing you to fine-tune your schedule for both hot water availability and savings. The EcoNet app provides alerts and notifications to help you stay informed. Alerts are designed to help provide you with information about your water heater performance and any critical issues. Notifications are designed to provide you with energy-saving tips and programs in your area when available. Note, to configure alerts and notifications, go to the main menu and tap on Notifications. We recommend always receiving these notifications. All alerts and notifications are delivered to you in the EcoNet app. If you have one or more alerts or notifications, they will appear highlighted over the bell icon. Simply tap on the icon to view them. See Part 5 in this series to learn about navigating the EcoNet app menu, including how to set vacation mode and other EcoNet app features. To learn more about reducing your hot water energy cost with SolarHeart SolarNext smart water heaters and EcoNet, visit the SolarHeart website or call us on 1300 721 984.